Yo, today I've created a track in the style of Beltran with our new sample collection, London Rollers. And this pack is literally everything you need if you want to make tracks in the style of Clooney, Sosa, Beltran, and these typical deep underground tech house kind of tracks. This is literally all you need, this pack. It's awesome. I'm gonna show you that right now. There are great vocals in it, great drums in it, and this is what I've created.
My hips are loud, but my heart's on chill. I play with passion. You think you got me, you better think twice, that's my advice. I'm living a life and you're caught up in my hype, so better step back, I'm talking. I'm living a life and you're caught up in my hype, so better step back, I'm talking. I'm living a life, so better step back, 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 back. I'm living a life and you're caught up in my hype, so better step back, I'm talking.
I really dig these vocals as well. These are very like typical early 2000s kind of hip hop vibe vocals, and that's working pretty well in this genre. So I'm gonna start with the vocal, and that is this one.
My hips are loud, but my heart's on chill. I play with passion. You think you got me, you better think twice, that's my advice. I'm living a life and you're caught up in my hype, so better step back, I'm talking.
Put it a tiny bit of Valhalla Room reverb on the vocal, and that's it. Oh, I have a small delay thing right here, and that's for this vocal stutter things. And then here it's off again.
I'm living a life and you're caught up in my hype, so better step back, I'm talking.
So no further post-processing on this vocal. It's very good at its own, so it didn't need to be post-processed. So then I have this vocal atmosphere underneath it. I just grabbed this part and I just looped that all over the drums. And I've cut it away a lot of frequencies, you can see here in this EQ. So I only want to have this far away in the background and some kickstart to sidechain this a little bit. And then you get this. So, and it gives the track a little bit more ambience. Then I have this vocal chop right here.
I'm living a life, better step.
And I've played here with the warp texture, and I just make this vocal part like twice as long, and I played around with the grain a little bit until I had like the sweet spot of it. And this one.
So better step back, 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 back.
And this kind of stuff really works and makes the track feel more alive. So that's it for the vocal section. I just put it in for the drums, like only this full groove. So that was super simple for me. This already was sounding very good and I didn't need any post-processing again. Together with the bass, it sounds like this. So very dirty, very aggressive, and that's what I like. Then I have this small response thing that it's really playing together with the vocal.
I'm living a life and you're caught up in my hype, so better step back, I'm talking.
You know, this stuff really works to create a call and response. Like, it makes the track more interesting and more drivey. So that's why I added that effect there. Further, I have this weird sound. A little bit Clooney-ish kind of vibe with some delay on it. Together with the drums and the bass, it sounds like this. Yeah, quite simple actually, but effective, I think. I really like these kind of groovy, weird effects. And then I have this analog build-up, and we just literally created this with analog synthesis. So this is real from an analog synthesis. So really nice in the build-up.
My hips are loud, but my heart's on chill. I play with passion. You think you got me, you better think twice, that's my advice. I'm living a life and you're caught up in my hype, so better step back, I'm talking. I'm living a life and you're caught up in my hype, so better step back, I'm talking. I'm living a life. So better step back, 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 back.
So yeah, these vocals are really nice to use in this specific kind of deep underground tech house productions. And the same is for this full groove things. Like the drums from this pack are really, really high quality. So believe me, if you want to create tracks in this genre, this pack is all you need. So if you enjoy this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and I see you on the next video. Bye bye.
I'm living a life and you're caught up in my hype, so better step back, I'm talking.